what's up guys? My name is Joe and today we're coming to you from Vancouver, Canada, featuring a good friend of mine and business partner. You've seen him before, Ben Weir. Today we're going for that forever timeless Justin Timberlake look where the entire haircut is blended perfectly between the sides and the top. You of course still deal with shorter sides, but the trick here is to have those sides transition very smoothly into the length on top. Ben is getting his cut at Regal Grooming House located in Vancouver, and if you want to check them out, I've got their link down below. To start out, Ben is having his hair taken in on the sides and the back, but true to how Justin does it, we're not wanting to go too short, but rather have some length left over to make the blend into the top more smooth. From here, you can start to see the general shape taking place, and the next step is to start blending the sides into the top. Now, even though Ben has a lot of hair, his individual strands are pretty thin, meaning that he doesn't actually need his hair to be too long on top for it to slick back. As a general rule, the thinner that your hair strands are, the less length is needed to create a slick back, and the thicker your hair is, the more length is needed. At this point, Ben is having his hair dried so that the hairdresser can see what his hair will look like in a more natural state before continuing the cut and making it look the best that it can. For Justin Timberlake's hairstyle, it's all about that blend. Time to get his hair wet again because we are ready to style. After applying Original by BluMaan as a pre-styler, the hairdresser is using a vented brush to push Ben's hair backwards and upwards. The thing about Justin Timberlake's hairstyle is that it looks natural and matte finish, but it's not overly textured or messy, and that's what we're going for today. To top it all off, we're going in with a little scoop of Monarch Matte Paste to help the structure of Ben's finished look last all day long while looking and feeling pretty natural.